Hello and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends, and I'm on the tram on the way to Rochdale. I could make a video showing the decline of a town, boarded up shops, but every town is like that. Rochdale, however, is a town on the up. Just look at this beautiful town square outside the amazing town hall, and a statue there to the most famous Rochdale person, Gracie Fields. Wherever you look in Rochdale, there are new buildings being built and new developments in the town centre. It really is a town on the up, and a town that's also proud of its past, at the heart of the Industrial Revolution. Rochdale is located on the River Roch, and we'll see that later on. It's also the birthplace of the cooperative movement. The Rochdale pioneers created the first shop on Toad Lane in the town in 1844. As you can see from these benches, cotton was important for Rochdale, and there used to be a big cotton mill just here. In fact, by 1911 there were 200 cotton mills in Rochdale. Rochdale gets its name from the River Roch, and it's in a dale, a valley, hence Rochdale. Construction on the Grade 1 listed town hall started in 1866. And it's built in the Victorian Gothic revival style. We're walking up this path, which is lovely with wild flowers. And at the top of the path, you're rewarded with great views over the whole of Rochdale and, of course, St. Chad's Church. Has been done beautifully, and it's hard to imagine that this is actually in a town centre. It really is quite beautiful, and the church at the top is lovely. And as we continue walking up this hill, we look back at the fantastic town hall and the buildings behind it. Rochdale Town Centre, which we'll have a closer look at a bit later on in this video. My guide for this tour was my mate Mark, who was actually born in Rochdale. Lovely park here at the side of the town hall, and as we walk along the front here we go to the front of Rochdale Town Hall and a war memorial and war memorial gardens here as well. Some beautiful buildings in Rochdale Town Centre. I've got to say they've really done this town square fantastically. It looks really good. And we'll put more details about Rochdale and Rochdale Town Centre in the description box below, and please do comment below. Have you been to the Rochdale Town Square? Have you been in the cafe in the town hall? Sadly it was shut when we were there, otherwise I would have gone in there for a cup of tea. And a plaque there commemorating Gracie Fields. And look at those gold lions. Wonder how much you would get for them down at Cash Converters. And a little peek through the window. And here's the River Roch flowing underneath the town. Very exciting time for the town. Millions of pounds is being invested in new homes, new businesses, and making things a lot nicer. And you can see there the transport interchange and a brand new shopping street with Greggs and Next and other stores such as Marks and Spencer's. It was a Sunday when I was here, hence it was very quiet, and a guide there to the town. This area is known as Rochdale Riverside, and it is close to the transport interchange where there's a brand new bus station and also the Metrolink as well. And as we walk along here, you'll see the cinema and this lovely piece of artwork on the side of the Regal Moon Weatherspoons. And we'll leave you with an image of the town hall and the statue of Gracie Fields. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And until next time, goodbye from Rochdale.